Majority of buyers shop for homes online, so high-resolution slideshows and video tours are a must. Today on episode 3, I'm going to discuss how to prepare your home for the photo shoot. First, understand the camera perspective. The camera's eye is different from the human eye. It will magnify clutter and poor furniture arrangement so that even a home that feels comfortable in person can look jumbled online. You're going to want to make it spotless. Cameras also tend to magnify grim. Don't forget floor coverings and walls. A spot on a rug might be overlooked during a regular home showing, but it could become a focal point online. Next, know what to leave. You want to avoid clutter, but try to have 3 items varying in height on each surface. On the end table, you can place a tall lamp, a small plant, and a book. Snapping pictures with your own camera will help give you an idea of what the home will look like on camera before the photographer shows up. Examine the photos and make changes to improve each room's appearance. And pare down by removing 1 or 2 pieces of furniture from each room. Even if it's just for the shoot, this can make your space appear larger on screen. And next, include a healthy plant in every room. The camera loves greenery. Energize bland decor by placing a bright vase on a mantle or draping an Afghan over a couch. And last but not least, keep the house in shape. Buyers who liked what they saw online expect to encounter the same in person. The link to our Prep to Sell guide is below. This guide will give you more detail on things you need to do to get your home ready for the market. And I want to thank you so much for watching my video, episode 3 of the Seller Series. This is August Maier, your angel of real estate, making sure your transaction is seamless by always giving you loyalty, integrity, and professionalism.